A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be real quick casserole. Sloppy Joe casseroles, what we're making today. I've already cooked pound of ground beef, some chopped onion. I've already drained it. And I've also cooked some elbow macaroni. You need 3 dry cups of elbow macaroni cooked. I've already got that cooked and drained. And I'm gonna add my seasoning right now. I need some garlic powder, some onion powder, do a little sprinkle more of that. Stir it up. And then you're gonna need 2 cans of Manwich or Sloppy Joe sauce. I just got generic, like always. So let me go ahead and pour that in. Two cans. I think it's a little much, but we're gonna go with the recipe. It's literally just a few ingredients and we're done. Oh, also you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Go ahead and get you a 13x9 pan sprayed and set aside. And then we're going to, oh, we got the handle messed up. We're gonna go ahead and stir this up. And there's no need to heat it or anything because the oven is going to do our work for us today, or the rest of our work for us. A little bit of prep work goes into this, but not much at all. Okay. Alright, so let me move the camera and I'll be right back. Okay. So you're going to take your Sloppy Joe sauce, you're going to pour it in your prepared pan. Spread it all out for now. Alright, and you're going to add your cooked macaroni to this. Alright. And we are going to add our cheddar to be stirred in. Well, you know what? Let me go ahead and stir this just a little bit, then we'll stir cheddar in. I'm always afraid that the cheese is going to stick in a weird way and it's just not going to work right, and, you know, the whole thing. So, let me do this. Okay. Two cups of cheddar. Just 1, 2, a little extra in case I got it a little off. We'll stir all this in. So you're going to stir to combine it. Let me stir this real quick and I'll straighten this pan back up. Alright. It's okay if it's not completely, utterly perfect. It's a dump and go casserole, so. Alright, now we're going to spread this out just a little bit. Make sure y'all can still see it. And then we're just going to top it with a cup of Colby Jack. And that's it. And that's literally all I shredded was a cup. Okay, y'all. So you're going to put this in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, 350 degrees, and I'll see you here when it comes out. Okay, y'all, so this is fresh out of the oven. This is the end product. It's a little drier than I want it to be, but I think it'll be fine because we're fixing to eat. But it did perfect. We've had it before, I believe. So I think it'll be fine. I just wish it was more saucy. Does that make sense? Or more creamy, I'm not sure. But it'll do for a dump and go casserole that you're just trying to fill bellies. You know, I wouldn't serve it at a potluck, and I wouldn't serve it like for company. But if it's just for family and you're just trying to get everybody fed and in the bed, you know, it works for that. Okay? And it also works for a budget. You can always use just a bottle of barbecue sauce. You do not have to get manwich to make this. I think it'd be just as good. Okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to work on another casserole recipe. Today it's going to be chicken and stuffing casserole. So we're going to take care of our chicken and everything, but I've already done most of that and I've set it aside. And I'll show you what I did here in a few minutes. Let's go ahead and work on our gravy or sauce portion. You're going to need a can of cream of chicken soup, and you're going to need a can of cream of celery soup. So let me get all this out. Let's see. I still wish they would make these just better to clean out. It's just, ugh. It's not that easy to get all this stuff out of here. And a cream of celery soup. This is always a good substitute when you have to use like green chilies in some sort of casserole, and you don't have it. It's really good to use cream of celery soup because it's got like this little wang at the end. It's not spicy, but it's got it kind of tastes like green chilies in a way. But anyway, and you're gonna need 1/4 cup of milk, and then we're gonna whisk this together. Okay. This is a really, really, really simple dump and go casserole. You are going to have to preheat your oven to 375, so don't forget to do that. And you're going to need your 13x9 baking dish. You're going to spray it, set it aside. Alright. Trying to get all this combined. Okay. Okay. Now, wipe my hands off. 2 pounds of chicken, boneless, skinless breasts, chopped into bite-sized pieces. You're going to sprinkle them with salt and pepper. And you're going to add those to your baking dish. And then we're going to do this. We're going to spread everything out. Alright. And we're going to place our soups on top. Okay. You need to make sure that you cover the chicken with the soup. Alright. All right. You're gonna need a 6-ounce box of stovetop. It can be generic, and you can either do chicken flavor or turkey. I just decided to do chicken. You'll need the 6-ounce box. Remember that when you go to purchase it. I'll sprinkle this over the top. Okay. And then you're going to take 1.5 cups of chicken broth and you're going to pour over this. And your point with this is to make sure that the broth is getting some moisture. So just try to mash it down. Not stir, but mash down. Make sure that it gets moistened. Okay, so that's it. That's all to this there is. It's very simple and easy. You need to cover it with foil, and we're going to cook it for like 40 to 45 minutes, and you're done. It's really simple, easy. You can sprinkle it with parsley, either dried or fresh, when it comes out. I probably won't. Probably just take it as it is. We're just going to have a salad with this. But really easy and simple recipe. Perfect for any time of the year. I will be back here at 45 to show this to you. Okay, y'all. So this is a finished product. I put it over some homemade mashed potatoes and added a Caesar salad. This is I'm going to start again. This is a salad from a salad kit. It's a Caesar bacon salad. And like I said, I had just took the casserole and put it over mashed potatoes, but you don't have to do that. But if you wanted to, you can put it over pasta or rice as well. Okay. Real easy and simple. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure.